I will try it. Hi guys, I'm Collector Gloria. Today I will do unboxing. I will try it. This hand cream helps regenerate damaged skin on hands. It protects from harmful factors. In addition to the chamomile extract and bisabolol, it also contains aloe, which improves blood circulation, moisturizes, and disinfects the skin. It also contains avocado oil, which penetrates the skin and pioneers other nutrients to the deepest layers of the skin. I really recommend this hand cream. I like this hand cream because there is no artificial coloring, no mineral oil and paraffin, no pH, non-allergenic. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe if you like it. Thank you.